Take a sneak peek at the all-new BarTender 2022. Our Preview 1 is built to enable secure, anywhere anytime printing, for any business. First, we've made it faster, safer, and easier than ever to print from any device by upgrading Print Portal with one-click immediate printing, increased security control, and folder customizations. And now, companies of all sizes can harness the power of secure browser-based printing, with Print Portal being added to both professional and automation editions. Next, PrintStation has been redesigned to streamline the label printing experience with improved performance and functionality. Select printers, enter data, and print fluidly with an intuitive, modern user interface. Find and open documents quickly, using familiar grouping, sorting, and folder customizations. And new corporate branding options make it look and feel like an integral part of your enterprise. Finally, the new native direct connection to SAP HANA databases makes it a cinch for enterprise organizations to integrate their labeling process with their data, whether that data is on premises or in the cloud. Get early access to the enhancements we're making in the upcoming BarTender 2022. Click the link below to install Preview 1 today.